Hey everybody, it's Kate with Crate Insider, and in this week's update, wanted to highlight a few different products. Hopefully you guys had a fantastic 4th of July weekend celebrating America's 250th birthday. So that was, I know I had some fun, and hope you guys had a great one out there too. Of course, trying to stay cool, everybody is, because it's been record-breaking temperatures, but can't do anything about that. But what I can do something about is tell you about a few of the products that we've got around here that can help your racing program. One product I thought I'd highlight this week would be our transponder kit. We get these, of course, from Receiver, and our transponder kit includes the transponder, the charger, and the pouch that you can put that on. I also thought I would mention that we sell each of those individually. For some reason, I don't know what it is, but we do have several of our customers who will pick up, maybe it's a spare charger, whether it's a spare or they break the other one, not sure, but just want to let you guys know that we do have those available. So if you're finding any issues with your transponder, maybe you're renting one out or you want to get one for yourself, that we've got them right here on the shelf at Crate Insider. A product I'd like to highlight this week, this is an award-winning product from Longacre. This is the dual air fuel ratio gauge. And I'm just going to mention a couple of things that are here on the box. It will give you the air fuel ratio differentials. Now, I understand you may not be able to have this in the car while you're racing, because it may show up as, like the diagnostic equipment, but it's really, really great for testing and also for really setting yourself up to have the ideal air fuel mixture for your race car. I know we've got these changing temperatures, changing humidity in the summertime, and that can really make a difference. So if you're looking for a really high-tech way of getting that exact perfect, then we've got this dual air fuel ratio gauge. You can read more about it on our website over at CrateInsider.com. Make sure we put a link in the description. Just a quick highlight, wanted to mention that we have our fuel log covers back in stock. Last time we talked about them, not too long ago, all of a sudden we just had a run on them and they were gone. So the great thing about using a fuel log cover, well, these are Velcro, so they'll, you can be all set up and this will just snap right on there or Velcro right onto your fuel log, but really good for keeping away the under engine temperatures from hitting your fuel. Anything we can do to keep our fuel cooler, no matter what time of year it is, we're going to get better performance. So this fuel log cover is a great way to keep out as much heat as we can. Well, of course, everybody who watches this channel wants to go fast, and a great way to make sure that you continue to go fast or cut down on any drag that you can is to add speed wax to your program. To keep off any of that dust and dirt, then the speed wax is a great way to go. This is from Daytona 1. It has a ceramic and graphene, really high-end, high-tech, and it's got a great smell to it too. And of course, when we sell it with a sprayer, but this keeps it from not spilling in the, just having a cap on it keeps it from spilling when we're shipping it. So if you're looking for, just that little bit of extra, then speed wax is a great way to go. Try it out for yourself. So there you have it for the week of July 6th, 2026. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you want to help us out here, hit that like and subscribe. It really helps to build the channel, and we'll look forward to seeing you next week.